Hello my amazing viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'm gonna going to introduce you to something new, something great. You can see what is running on my screen, right? A lot of you people have come across this in the past few days, or in the past few months, or in the past few years. No, not even years, months. Let's just say months maximum. So as you can see, if you're watching on my screen right away, this is what we refer as Tapswap. Okay, Tapswap is one of those newest airdrop babies in town that has taken over a lot of people's phones and mindsets. Okay, so as you can see, Tapswap is actually working and is running perfectly. So the only thing you just need to do now is to seize this opportunity, dive into Tapswap mining and start mining right away. Okay, so you guys, a lot of us heard about the coin, which was recently launched a couple of months ago. No, a couple of days ago, sorry. So it was recently launched and a lot of people made fund from it. Okay, a lot of us purposely refused to mine the coin, and to our greatest surprise, coin is being launched in the market, and actually a lot of people have made a lot from it. Okay, so it is left for you now to see this opportunity and start mining like right away. Okay, so the first thing you just need to do, make sure you download a telegram, sign up into it and start doing this project now. Okay, so I'm gonna going to make it easier for you by dropping my referral link at the descriptive section of this my content or this my video, and I'll also drop it at the message session so that you can just click on it and start mining Tapswap like right away. Okay, so let me take a brief walk around with you guys on this very telegram matters. Okay, so you can see the moment you click on the Tapswap, you see something of this very nature. The only reason you see my own mining for itself is because I have purchased a boat. Okay, so this bot mine for me even when I'm offline. Okay, so you can quickly check the moment you log into this very place. The down here will be something different because you're like just starting. Okay, so it won't be that much, it will be giving you only 500. So the moment you exhaust that 500 by just clicking, you see, all you just need to be doing in these very places is just clicking. Okay, in other words, tapping. Okay, you can just be tapping. If you want to type faster, you can use your 3 fingers, you can use your 2 fingers, but using 1 finger won't be faster as 3 fingers. Okay, so all you just need to do now is to sign up to Telegram, as I said earlier. So the moment you sign up, it will bring you to something of this very interface, so you can only start clicking and you'll see it working. Okay, you can see you see it seriously working. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time coming across to this amazing content or this amazing channel, and if this is your second time and coming across to this channel and you are yet to subscribe, please do what to subscribe to my channel, and let's keep doing this together. Okay, so looking at this, there's where it is written task. Okay, so in this task you can just come to this place and connect your Solana wallet address, join the social media. The moment you connect your Solana wallet address, you're gonna going to get 100 coin. If you join their social media, you're gonna going to get a 200 coin. You can see as it was claimed here. Okay, so you can go to statistics to see how your how well you have been doing, or the total that have been shared for that particular day, or the total touches. Okay, so there's one amazing thing. The amazing thing is that you can boost. Okay, If it is giving you 1122, you can boost to 3344 or even 88 or even above by doing what? By buying both. Okay, you can come to this place to buy this one, this multi tab. You can just buy it. It's 50 coin. That is after you must have secured some coin. You can do this, get some energy, and also recharging speed. This one costs almost 250 coin. You can do all this after you might have after you might have mined a lot of coins that will be able to give you some money. Okay, some coins. Okay, so you can see your full tank. You can click on this place to fill your tanks and others. Okay, you can click on that very place to fill your tanks and others. Okay, it's 3 of 3 or 2 of 2. It will give you whatever it is. Okay, free. You can get it again. This is free. You can just keep getting this and get it again, which is 3 of 3 already. The tank is what? The tank is damn full. You can also go to the tapping guru. This tapping guru say multi tap income by 5 times for 20 seconds. Do not use energy while active. Okay, they say this is free. Okay, it's free as well. You can as well go back there to get more when it's available. Okay, you can see all this is what? All this is free. Okay, so one of the most fascinating thing here is that you can also use your referral link to invite your friends to this amazing project. What are you still waiting for then? Why don't you just dive into this, start making your coins, and also refer your friends to start making from the same thing you're making from. Okay, so to this now, I'm going to drop like my referral links at the comment sections and also at the descriptive section of this amazing content so that I can use it to sign up, and let's start doing this together. So I'll copy my links now and drop it there for you. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me. I would I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Don't forget, leave your comment at the comment sections. I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, bye.